bus is a Pikachu bus. Is our tour guide dito.
Okay, everyone. Come on, come here.
What? Kaliwa. She wants ice cream, so we go for ice cream first. Thanks.
Mag-isa lang tayo.
Ha? Basta na lang tayo. Yeah. Nakapila lang ako with you. The Flora with cranberry. Fruity with cranberry. Venezuela. Oh yeah, Flora.
Piliin mo kaya yung mga
She'll order ice cream, but she could not find her phone. So I wonder where. Kasi ang haba ng pila there. Ito. Yeah.
and this one.
Thank you so much. 167.
Bumalik na sila sa bus, oh. Kasi ano lang tayo, di ba? 17 minutes lang.
Hindi, 70. Huwag ka dyan sa gitna.
Just ordering more. Ano kasi to? In-order na namin to kanina sa bus. And the ice cream, yung like this. This is raisins with mascarpone. It tastes like it has wine. Tastes so good. And the one on topping is pumpkin seed. Yeah. So good. Is it good? Marunong siya mag-chopstick na ako marunong. That's why. I don't know how to chopstick that. I use spoon.
Bawal yan.
Bawal? Good. The food is good. Tinuloy ko na yung outfit ko. Okay, we're here. Sana pala anak, tinuloy ko na yung suot ko. Di pala gaano. Tolerable.
Dito, mamaya punta tayo dyan. Maganda siya paggabi. May
Oh.
lights yung
Okay, we're here again in Mianara.
Miyahara.
At tayo ka doon. Nice. We're back. It's nice. What to buy here, be? Sweets? Ah, ice cream. No, the ice cream is there.
Meron dito.
Okay. Assortment. Pero bakit ang mamahal? 600 NT. If you want something that... Sir. It's a DIY trip. DIY. Ano ko naman yung kasama ko. Mas mahal niya yung ano niya, yung anime niya.